Welcome, today in front of me CUBOT Note 9 and I'll show you how to install iPhone keyboard on this device. So first we should open the Play Store application, and here in the search pool we should enter green Apple keyboard. And now we should get this application. That's why just tap to install and wait a couple of seconds while this application downloading and then installing on your device. After that, just tap here to open the app and click enabling settings. Now near green Apple keyboard, click once on the switcher, tap OK, again OK, and go back. After that, click here to switch input methods and switch your currently keyboard to green Apple keyboard. Now the process is finished, and let's go for example to the app search to see the new look of our keyboard, and we can see that this keyboard is so close to the iPhone 1 as all of this emojis. So that's it. Thank you for watching, and if you find this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like, comment and to subscribe our channel.